What's up? It's the 1B, and we're doing some video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro today. And let's go ahead and get this started. Let's click New Project, go in here and make sure that we're going to be making it in the correct folder. So this is a video editing. So this is going to be video editing Star Trek Season 2 TOS Season 2 thumbnail, creative thumbnail creation. That's what it is. Alright, so we're going to hit that right there. This is the folder that we want. We're going to select it. We'll say Star Trek. Well, actually, we're video editing. TOS Season 2 Creative Thumbnail Creation. Click OK. Let's just get the. This is a 426 quick edit. So, you know what? When I saved this originally, I went in and I did a reset to saved loadout. No. Let's go up here. Let's drag it down here. And save changes to the workspace. So I don't know if this will stay the same. I have a feeling that this is a part of these folders, and so it's up here. My issue with that is that the project folder and the media folder shouldn't be in the same thing. So when I go to drag something out of here, if this is up here, then that means I have to let's go, what was that, 426.023129. This one. See, then I have to go up here, which works, but that's extra wasted time, right? Like, I'm trying to speed up this process, so every time me dragging this down here is a pain. So there's just some stuff that needs to be adjusted. What am I looking for? We need this one, and then the end screen. So if you noticed, I moved my camera over here to this corner. It might flipped. That's weird. Anyway, I moved my camera, and that's just so that you can kind of see this side over here. I don't do anything in this space, so it made sense to move it up there. I've been trying to find a good spot for it. So we dragged in the video into our timeline. And then the first thing we're going to want to do is we are going to want to unlink, which is Control L, or you can right click and unlink it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of some of these audio channels. This channel here is a mix of all the other audio channels, so we don't need that. And then this one here is the system audio, which, because this is a video editing video, there is some slight audio from the video itself. So we're going to go ahead and leave that. And then this would be for Discord, but because we're not using that, we'll delete that. And then we'll select all of them again, and we will use the hotkey to get them back linked. And actually, let's unlink them real quick and go up here to Effect Controls. And my system audio, I like to have, let's do it -10, just so that I like it to be there so you can hear it, but not enough to distract from my actual talking in the video. The actual talking in the video, however, needs to be loud enough, so we turn that up to 15. Did I turn that down? This is down, yes. And then the reason I have this one going up is because in the YouTube, once it's up on YouTube or wherever it is, you will, I would rather you have to turn me down if I'm too loud. and if I'm not loud enough and you can't turn me up, then that's a problem. So we'll go ahead and relink them. We're going to right click in these spaces here. You only need to do it once. Delete tracks. Check these two boxes and make sure these say all empty tracks, and it's going to remove video 2 track, video 3 track, and then down here it'll remove audio 1 and audio 3. And then we have that, and we're going to go ahead and bring in the YouTube end screen, and just to select that, make sure I turn it up again for that one, and I think we're good. Now we can just trim the beginning and the end to where we like it. I think right here, because I'm looking at the screen, is good enough. Control K will split these. Make sure you select this one right here, and we will Shift Delete, which then is a ripple delete, and it pulls everything forward. And we'll do the ending here. See you guys later. Peace. And right there, go ahead and click this one, and you're going to see now that this one right here is going to be deleted, and this is going to pull forward to the scrubber. So we're going to go ahead and Shift Delete, and it pulled forward. And then we will Control S and Control M. Control S saved it. Control M is going to bring up the export settings. We are going to name it. Make sure that we get it in the right space here. Video, caps lock is on. Video editing, Star Trek, TOS, Season 2, creative thumbnail, creation. Save. So you could click export if you want to export in Adobe Premiere Pro, but I've had issues with that in the past, so I hit Q, which brings in Adobe Media Encoder. And the issues that I've had in the past were a long time ago. They've updated several times since I've switched to Media Encoder, so that might not be a problem anymore. It could have been just a bug. The issues that I had was desyncing of audio, and then sometimes the quality would be lower for some reason. It would just look bad. So I've just completely switched to using Adobe Media Encoder, which honestly is better for me because sometimes I'll edit videos where I have to encode and render multiple files from a video, so I can just do that all out instead of doing it one at a time in Adobe Premiere Pro. I can just export them, queue them up, and then do them all at once. So this just works better for me. You can change all your settings in here if you need to. Format, this is a preset. This is your output file, which you could rename it if you needed to, and then this is how you will start the process. It's going to take 10 to 30 minutes for me, and that just depends on the length of the video, the quality of the video, and my system, and what else I have going on. That's going to be different for everybody, obviously, just because you have a different computer, you're editing different videos. It's hardly ever going to be the same. Recently they did just do an update, though, I've heard, for Adobe Premiere Pro, which makes it faster. So I haven't rendered enough videos in order to confirm that, but I will let you know in a future video. Thank you very much for watching, and while I start this process, hopefully you'll go and watch one of my other videos. Thanks. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.